Hey guys, it's me, Aaron, and I woke up at 5:50. Guys, you'll not believe what's happening. The reason I roll like this because I woke up at 5:50 a few minutes back, and look how much it's raining. It's like thunder or something. Look at that. Look, you have to put cold, everything is just flat. Alright guys, I'm in the balcony, in my balcony. But guys, it's raining so much. What's happening? Yeah. I wanted to show you how much it's raining. Look, that car is going through the water and it's splashing everywhere. It just looks like a flood over there. It's raining so much. It's so windy, guys. It's so windy. So cool. Anyways, bye guys.